When it comes to investing, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, have gained immense popularity among both novice and seasoned investors. Offering a diverse range of investment options, ETFs have become go-to instruments for those seeking exposure to various asset classes, sectors, and regions while enjoying the benefits of liquidity, diversification, and cost-effectiveness. Let's delve into some of the most popular ETFs and explore their key features, advantages, and considerations. Popular ETFs. SPDR S&P 500 ETF, SPY. Tracks the S&P 500 index, comprising 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States across various sectors. Provides diversified exposure to large-cap U.S. stocks, including technology, healthcare, financials, and consumer goods. Offers high liquidity and low expense ratio, making it a popular choice for investors seeking broad market exposure. Invesco QQQ Trust, QQQ. Tracks the NASDAQ 100 index, which includes 100 of the largest non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. Provides exposure to leading technology, consumer discretionary, and healthcare companies, including Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Alphabet, Google. Offers investors access to growth-oriented stocks in innovative sectors like technology and biotechnology. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. Seeks to track the performance of the CRSP U.S. Total Market Index, covering the entire U.S. equity market, including large, mid, small, and micro-cap stocks. Provides broad diversification across the U.S. stock market, including sectors such as technology, healthcare, financials, and industrials. Offers a low expense ratio and exposure to thousands of U.S. stocks, making it suitable for long-term investors seeking market-wide diversification. Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, VOO. Similar to SPY, tracks the S&P 500 index, offering exposure to large-cap U.S. stocks across various sectors. Known for its low expense ratio and efficient replication of the S&P 500 index, making it a cost-effective option for investors seeking passive exposure to the U.S. stock market. Ideal for investors looking for a straightforward way to invest in the largest and most established U.S. companies. iShares Russell 2000 ETF, IWM. Tracks the Russell 2000 index, comprising small-cap stocks in the United States. Offers exposure to smaller companies with the potential for higher growth but also higher volatility compared to larger-cap stocks. Provides diversification beyond large-cap stocks, making it suitable for investors seeking exposure to the small-cap segment of the U.S. equity market. Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, BND. Seeks to track the Bloomberg Barclays U.S. Aggregate Float-Adjusted Index, representing the entire U.S. investment-grade bond market. Provides exposure to a wide range of bond types, including government, corporate, and mortgage-backed securities. Offers investors diversification and income generation potential, with relatively lower risk compared to stocks. Vanguard FTSE Developed Markets ETF, VA. Provides exposure to developed markets outside the United States, including Europe, Australia, Asia, and the Far East. Tracks the performance of the FTSE Developed All-Cap ex-US Index, offering diversification across developed economies. Suitable for investors seeking international diversification beyond U.S. stocks and bonds. iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF, EEM. Tracks the MSCI Emerging Markets Index, comprising large and mid-cap stocks from emerging market countries. Offers exposure to economies with high growth potential, including China, Taiwan, South Korea, and Brazil. Provides diversification benefits but also carries higher volatility and risks associated with emerging markets. iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, IVV. Similar to SPY and VOO, tracks the S&P 500 index, providing exposure to large-cap U.S. stocks. Offers low expense ratio and efficient replication of the S&P 500 index, making it suitable for investors seeking passive exposure to the U.S. equity market. Vanguard Total International Stock ETF, VXUS. Provides exposure to international developed and emerging market stocks, excluding the United States. Tracks the FTSE Global All-Cap ex-US Index, offering diversification across developed and emerging economies worldwide. suitable for investors seeking broad international diversification beyond U.S. stocks. The information provided above is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Investing in ETFs involves risks, including the potential loss of principal. Before investing in any ETF, it's important to conduct thorough research, consider your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and consult with a qualified financial advisor. Each investor's financial situation is unique, and decisions should be made based on individual circumstances.